Hello everybody, welcome to Zion and Ezra Unboxing. Today we're unboxing a RMZ City Ford F-150 Skill Model 3 Plus and a officially licensed BMW, let's try this again, BMW M850i.
Okay.
Basically, the
Okay.
M Sport in effect.
Okay.
The M8 Sport in effect, so...
Okay. Now let's
Start. First, who's gonna start off first? Me or you?
Okay, we're gonna
Do it together?
both. Yeah.
Three, simultaneously. Three. Hang on, wait, I've just got to help you with this.
No, I cannot do it. I can't do it.
3, 2, 1. That was easy. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, a BMW 850. It's D8. It's
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is coming out. It is coming out.
quality. Take that one out. Oh. Mama, can you help me take out these two stickers? No, these two stickers. It looks so awesome.
Wait, the vehicle. It's stuck. It's stuck.
I think your one is your one also screwed on?
With the camera. Did you show your Did you show your toy? Then you ask a bit to help you.
Guys, we're just gonna screw off some things. So I'm gonna hand we're gonna screw off some
Unscrew!
we're gonna unscrew the screws down here and the ones on me and on my brother's. I'm gonna hand it to Mama for her unboxing.
We're gonna unbox this one is Mommy and Daddy's one. So we got two. Medyo na ano kami ni Dwayne sa kay Mr. Pa. Or right, Dada, Mr. Pa. And then ito yung Mahjong series na blind box.
There's absolutely no ink.
Wait lang. Ayan. Si Mr. Pa, ayan.
Hang on. This is your box.
Saan natin? We have this one.
No, that's. I never realized any of this.
So let's
No, your box is this. And no, your box is like that. It's like an outdoor box, I guess. Mr. Pat.
I'm gonna watch. Oh yeah. Open it up and go on.
This one is what we got. This is who?
How regular people say.
This is
Americans.
ooh, Dada. We got money bag or huge blessing. Oh, huge blessing. The huge blessing because it's orange. This one is the orange.
We've got huge blessing.
Once I get that,
Yeah.
I can add it to my collection of
This one.
BMWs. So far, that's what I already have.
Ay.
It's kind of straight though. My Subaru is
Yeah,
literally
it's the kind of buckle.
every
So,
second.
ito siya. Mr. Pa.
Did you see how he just bounced along the bag?
Cutie.
Did you see how it just bounced along the bag?
This one, the next one will be Dada's. Let's see. Dada, which one you want to get? Under Lucky Star, Fortune Pa, Money Bag, waiting for the title, Huge Blessing, we have already. Lucky Pig, Good things happening. Rich tortoise and Papa winning.
Here.
Mama, I think
Eh? You got fortune. I know. You got
another huge blessing.
yeah.
Another one.
Huge blessings too.
Yeah. No. Is it? Let me see the other one.
That's a huge blessing.
Yeah, it's the same. My goodness.
I was correct. Very smart.
Yeah.
Mahjong.
But it's huge blessing. So let's wait for our huge blessing from Mr. Pa.
No, Mr. Pot is just the wisher. He wishes for the huge blessing from God to come. So basically,
I
the
think,
huge blessing comes from him.
Mama, I think this